Alright, this is our 69 Corvette road race car. Car has a pretty long history, about 20 years racing in SVRA, HSR, SCCA, Trans Am Series, and so on. Car last raced a couple years back, about a year and a half ago. Let me just tell you about it. The body is it's very straight. There's only minor chips and so on in the wheel wells that were covered up with graphics and so on. But it's straight, only a few stress cracks and so on. The drivetrain is fantastic in it. It's a 69 350, 4-bolt main, and punched out 30 over, flat tops, 11.5 to 1 pistons, big lift cam, roller top end, head valve train. Has a Muncie 4-speed in it, 373 gears with obviously the independent suspension. The suspension is, you have 4 piston calipers up front and the dual in the back. The factory one's in the back, high performance one's in the front. Has very large sway bars, Coney shocks, adjustable sway bars. Obviously the fuel cell, and the fuel cell's been gone over. Then it has tilt pedals, has MSD, the external clutch and brake reservoirs up on top, hooker headers, all braided brake lines, Griffin radiator, and the car is, I would say, about 420, 430 horse. It's a monster. It runs so well and fun. One thing you can do is, for complete vintage, is just maybe put a set of torque thrust on it, or factory rally, something like that, or the steel wheels, and then your slicks. But car has best of everything. Best of everything. And what's nice about this thing, it has power steering and power brakes. That's right. It has electric water pump, oil pump, fuel pump. But the nice thing is that again, it has the power steering in that, because it makes it so easy to drive. So easy to drive. So this car could literally, you would just change the belts on it, change the belts, and drive it. That's it. That's all you need to do. Even the tires are good on it. We'll ship it anywhere. I'll just fire it up for you. You can listen to this thing. Flooded from just sitting there idling. It is a monster, though. It's ready to go. Do it out here. Yeah. SCCA approved roll cage. And the only thing I didn't do to it is I didn't want to go and put a windshield in it. Some people would want a full windshield, which you could do in the polycarbonate, but the rim is there. You can easily wrap a 10-inch piece of polycarbonate around. It's very simple. I just didn't do it because, again, someone might want to do the whole thing. But either way, it's a simple process, and the car ran for years without it. But that's what you can do. All right, thank you.